So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to link Maya to PayPal. So in order to link your Maya account to PayPal, you will have to make sure your Maya wallet has at least 100 PHP. So let's get to setting that up. So first off, you will need to go to Maya on here so you can get that specific Maya wallet. So just make sure that your Maya wallet has at least 100 PHP as I mentioned before, and your virtual or physical Maya card details are ready, so they're near you. So from that point, you can log in to your PayPal account. You can go to your wallet or balance, whatever you want to call it. So if you go to your wallet right here, you can see your wallet and activity. You can check out some stuff for banks, cards, and online purchases. So within that, you can select the option to link a card. So you need to input your Maya card details and complete the small verification charge that needs to happen. So these are some of the requirements before you can start linking the two. So if you want to connect those, the first thing you want to do is have a fully upgraded and active Maya account, at least 100 PHP balance for temporary authorization charge, and your physical or virtual Maya Visa / MasterCard number, expiration date, and CVV, so your card information. And you need to match your personal details and address on both Maya and PayPal profiles. So just make sure that it's the same information there. So go there, link a card on the mobile app or add it like that, and enter your Maya card details manually or scan the screen with it. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share a video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on PayPal or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.